Are you tired of trying to learn English with little or no results? You've bought books. You've watched YouTube videos. Maybe you even paid for a class. But still, you freeze when someone says, "Hi, how are you?" You feel embarrassed, frustrated, and sometimes you think, maybe English is just not for me. Let me tell you something important. It's not your brain that's the problem. It's the method you're using. In this video, I will help you change your mindset, fix the common mistakes, and show you the best strategies to finally learn English and love it. Let's begin.
Many learners face the same obstacles. Here are the most common ones. Fear of speaking. You're afraid of making mistakes or being laughed at. Lack of confidence. You know some grammar, but can't use it in real life. Too much grammar. You study rules without practice. No environment. No one around you speaks English, so you never use it. Inconsistency. You start, then stop, then start again. Let me tell you this, these problems are normal. But they must not stop you. Now let's look at what many learners do wrong, without realizing it. Here are some bad habits that slow your learning: memorizing lists of words without context. Watching English movies without subtitles or understanding. Trying to translate everything from French to English. Waiting to be perfect before speaking. Focusing only on exams, not communication. Imagine trying to learn to swim by reading books. Sounds crazy, right? Yet, that's what many do with English. So, what should you do instead? How can you actually improve, step by step? Here is a smarter and more effective approach. Start with the basics. Learn common phrases like, "My name is." "I am from." "I like to." Use English every day. Even 15 minutes a day is powerful. Practice speaking aloud. Use the shadowing method. Listen to a sentence, pause, and repeat it out loud. Like this, "How are you?" "How are you?" You repeat. Use storybooks and dialogues. Stories make learning fun and natural. Join a community. Find others learning English. Speak together. Make mistakes together. Think in English. Train your brain to form sentences directly in English. Don't translate from French. Of course, this will take time. So let's talk about how to stay consistent. Learning English is not a race. It's a journey. Here's how to keep going. Set goals. For example, this week, I'll learn 10 new phrasal verbs. Track your progress. Write what you've learned each week. Celebrate small wins. Did you speak for 5 minutes today? That's great. Be consistent. Better 10 minutes a day than 2 hours once a month. Most people fail because they stop. But English will reward you, if you stay with it. Let's finish with a summary and the most important message of all. Learning English is more than vocabulary or grammar. It's about unlocking the world, better job opportunities, confidence in travel, access to global content, new friendships, the ability to share your story with the world. I came from a French-speaking village with no English at all. Today, I speak with people in Canada, the USA, and Kenya. Why? Because I decided not to give up. So you must do the same. Use this method. Use the book we provide. Watch the storybooks on this channel. Join our WhatsApp group. Repeat, repeat, repeat. And remember, Practice makes perfect. You can do this. I believe in you. Let's learn English together.